Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Imagine a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world and causing a storm on the other side of the planet. Sounds like magic, right? But this is actually a way to explain something called the butterfly effect. It's a scientific idea that shows how tiny changes, like the flap of a butterfly's wings, can lead to huge effects later on. Today, we're going to explore how small actions can change the world. What is the butterfly effect? The butterfly effect comes from a branch of science called chaos theory. It shows us that even tiny differences in the starting point of something can lead to massive changes over time. It's like a domino effect. One small action sets off a chain reaction, leading to big results. For example, changing just one word in a speech could affect how people respond to it. A simple example. Let's make it easy to understand. Imagine you wake up 5 minutes late one morning. Because of that, you miss your regular bus and have to take a later one. On that bus, you meet someone who becomes your best friend, or maybe you avoid being in a traffic accident. This tiny change in your routine could lead to a completely different outcome for your day, or even your life. How it happens in nature and life. The butterfly effect can be seen in real life too. In nature, small environmental changes can impact ecosystems. For example, a slight change in temperature can affect the migration of animals, which then affects the food chain. Even in history, small decisions by world leaders or inventors have changed the course of events in huge ways. Can small actions really change the world? Yes. Think of the ripple effect. When you toss a small pebble into a pond, it creates ripples that spread out wider and wider. The butterfly effect works similarly. Whether it's helping someone in need or making a small discovery, your actions, no matter how small, can have a big impact on the future. So, can small actions really change the world? Absolutely! Just like a butterfly's wings can start a chain reaction, your small choices and actions today could lead to big changes tomorrow. Next time you're making a decision, remember the butterfly effect. You never know what amazing impact you might have. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.